Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to create a Selenium framework from scratch. First, you need to understand the fundamental building blocks, such as the Selenium WebDriver and your chosen test runner. Next, design a modular and scalable architecture to ensure your framework is easy to maintain and extend. Finally, select a suitable programming language, like Java or Python, and integrate a build automation tool to manage dependencies effectively. Now, let's set up your project's foundation. Begin by creating a logical folder structure, separating your test scripts, page objects, and utility functions. Then, add the essential Selenium WebDriver dependencies to your project, typically through a build automation tool. For instance, using Maven, you would include the Selenium Java dependency, which is currently at version 4.14.1, ensuring all necessary libraries are available for your automation efforts. A crucial step is implementing the page object model, or POM. This design pattern involves creating separate classes for each web page in your application. Within these page classes, you define web elements and the actions that can be performed on them. This approach significantly improves test readability, makes your tests more robust against UI changes, and drastically reduces code duplication across your test suite, saving you valuable development time. Finally, it's time to write and execute your tests. Using your well-structured page object model, craft clear and concise test cases that simulate user interactions. Incorporate assertions to verify that your application behaves as expected, ensuring the correctness of features. After writing your tests, execute them using your chosen test runner, like TestNG or JUnit, and thoroughly analyze the generated reports to identify and address any failures promptly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.